Namaste. This is a step-by-step making video of the GOMatha on canvas painting. Please subscribe to our channel for more DIYs. Let's get started. We used an old canvas which is 20 by 15 inches. For the colors, we picked sample paints which we never used. This way we are reusing our resources which are already available to us. We decided to go with red, yellow, and white as the primary colors of our painting. We will also add the specifics in the description below. You can pick the colors available to you. We decided to go with red as the background color. Once we left the paint to dry, we searched up images of lotus flowers for a basic idea. There are many ways to go. We decided on a traditional pink lotus. For that, we mixed red and white. First, we drew out an outline for the flower. Here are some important tips. First step is to color the petals with pink. Second step is to color the petal partitions with a dark shade of red. This way, we are adding a special pop to the flowers. Notice here how the last partition is inside the light pink. This made the flower outline to stand out. Last step is to color the stems green. We placed most of the flowers on the lower half of the canvas, giving them a sort of a birthing effect. I was worried that the flowers were not exactly like a reference pictures, but my mom reminded me, art is not about perfection, it's about having fun. It's okay if no two flowers look the same. While the flowers were drying, we searched up cows dressed up for Sankranti, which is a South Indian festival to celebrate harvest season. It was so much fun. We made an outline of the cow. Getting the white on red color was a bit hard. We recommend to leave your canvas background blank. It took multiple coats, but finally it was done. Here's how we designed the cow. We added some jewelry on the GOMatha just above the hooves. We added 2 embezzled chains with the combination of red and yellow. We colored the hooves and tail black. We added a few outlines for a definition. We shaded the ears with light pink. We colored the horns with a combination of yellow and red. Finally, we painted the cloth yellow and designed it. At last, we finished our little DIY project and hung alongside our column art. Click here to explore our column art video. Hope you liked our walkthrough. If you try it, do tag us to let us know. If you liked our videos, please share and subscribe to our diary. Thanks for your time.